Meaning of Diploma of Higher Education.
Diploma of Higher Education.
Diploma of Higher Education.
Diploma of Higher Education.
Diploma of Higher Education. A diploma of higher education is an academic award that is typically earned after completing 2 years of full-time study at a college or university. It is a qualification that is recognized as being at a level above a high school diploma, but below a bachelor's degree. The program is designed to provide students with a broad education in a particular field of study, and it may also include courses in general education subjects such as mathematics, science, and the humanities. Upon completion of the program, graduates may be able to transfer credits toward a 4-year degree or pursue entry-level positions in their chosen field.